Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike, and in today's video we are building this two-tiered reclaimed wood shelf. This shelf right here, or something similar, is sold online for $45. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I built this two-tiered reclaimed wood shelf. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright, I've got 8 2x4s, scrap wood, 4 or 11.5, and 4, they're 10.5. And now all I'm going to do is make a frame. So I'll make 2 frames, 2 tiers.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days when our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards.
Alright, now I got my frames, my little boxes built. I'm going to use 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. I think this is rabbit wire. And this will be put on the bottom of each box. So now I'm just gonna cut out me a piece, 2 pieces to fit on each of my frames. I got my rabbit wire cut to the size I need for each tray. I use these tin snips to cut it. Very easy. Good. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my propane tank. I'm going to burn these trays, and we'll be back. Now that my burn's done, I'm going to polyurethane both of these before I put the wire on the bottom of it. Alright, that was the two-tiered shelf made from reclaimed wood, sold online for $45. That easy, that simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.